So, as most of you guys know, if you're heading over to Fraser Island, especially if you're coming from down south, where you get the barge over to Fraser is Inskip Point. So this is Inskip Point right here, and you might have heard in the news recently there was a big sinkhole that happened, and you can see it's taken away a chunk of that sand that you used to drive on. But as you can see, the Manta barge is still working like usual, but it's just awesome to see how big that sinkhole is. So there's been many sinkholes over the last few years, like there's been 4 or 5, but never one exactly where the barge is coming in and out. But yeah, I just thought it'd be cool to go down and fly the drone and show you guys what it's like. You can obviously see here the sand hooks around a bit further, and the sand that the cars are driving on right now used to be about double in length. So yeah, it was pretty cool being able to put the drone up and see it. Yeah, it was weird to think that only 2 weeks before this sinkhole happened, I was waiting in line for the barge and my car is exactly where the sand no longer is. So yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy the little bit of footage of the sinkholes. When I pan up here, you'll actually sort of see on the left a little bit, there's a couple like little horseshoe shapes. Those are where previous sinkholes have been in the past. But yeah, this one's obviously probably one of the biggest ones that they've had. And there's some pretty cool footage going around at the moment. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.